welcome. I am doing a quick video, not really a quick video. It's going to be a video on me trying to finish my stuff today. I'm gonna try to get in the car and start tearing down some of the interior today. But before I get started, I'm gonna go run an errand. So let's have a couple errands, and then when I get back, we're going to get into taking out the seats, clean up my mess in the garage, so I can get stuff in the garage, reorganize it back the way I had it, and and get to working on the Prelude. The weather's okay today; it's not too bad, but I want to get it done, today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try to work on some more tomorrow. So this video will be continued, not right now, but it will be continued, because I'm not gonna do, not say I'm not gonna do, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this one today. I have other things I have planned, so I'm gonna do what I can before whatever I have going on comes up, and hopefully before it gets dark, because I don't have any light and you can't see me in the GoPro when it's dark and stuff like that. And then my other camera is not as, should I say, bright, but it still works. And it's a freaking nice Subaru. And like I said, I want to continue with trying to give you guys as much content with the vehicle as possible and the progress on the vehicle as possible. Like I said in my previous video, the weather has stopped me because it's like been too windy, and with the GoPro and the wind, you can't hear a lot of stuff. That was my mom. I can't hear a lot of stuff, and the wind stops it, stuff like that. I did order, to be honest, order a open side GoPro case, and I never received it. What I received was the same one I already had. So, and it came from China, and I, requested, to get the same one, the one I ordered, and on the form, it was telling me just to try to get my money back. For the simple fact is, it's not what I ordered, and then that's what they displayed on the thing. It said, side opening, waterproof case. So I guess they need to learn how to rephrase, I guess, their stuff on on where I ordered it or something like that. It just didn't make any sense. I try to find it elsewhere. I'm trying to find it at my local places here, and with the GoPro that I use, with it being so, not saying so old, but so young, as I say, because they're the new ones. Well, I might as well say old, because it's not new. It's the old ones. It's the very first freaking GoPro Hero. So therefore, it is old, but at the same time, it still, serves its purpose. But I am going to cut it here, and hopefully we will pick up when I am getting ready to start tearing down stuff in the car. And hopefully when I get there and get stuff done, I will be using other utensils besides the GoPro to record what's going on, so that way you're able to see exactly what I'm doing and what I have in mind. So like I said, I'm gonna cut it here, and we will pick up when I get back to the house and start my other video. I need to start using my freaking signal light. I'm gonna get ran over, not pulling my signal light. Alright, picking up where I left off. I am going to the house, and I am getting something to eat at my house. I have food at the house, so I'm gonna eat. Then after I eat, I'm gonna try to get some recording in before my daylight. I don't have any more daylight. If possible, I might just use some light so you can see me. Hopefully it's not too bright for the GoPro or my other camera or anything else, any other devices I'm using. Sorry about that. It's old music that I'm listening to that I made back in the day. So we're going to pick up when I get to the house and do what I got to do after I eat, we'll, you know, start. And like I said, if it turns into dark before I can get stuff accomplished, I'm still going to be doing it when it's dark. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some of the seats and stuff out, raise up the garage and stuff like that. So I'm gonna cut it here, and I will pick up when I get done eating and everything is set up. Welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up, hopefully you can see me. I am going to pick up here and go ahead and take out the center console and the seats. I might leave this in right here for the simple fact is my hazard lights are hooked up to this, not unless I can take the switch out. Yes, I am doing this in the dark, so I wanted to go ahead and get it done and quit procrastinating on doing this video on taking out the back seats and trying to disconnect the seat belts and all that stuff that's back here. I will be gutting, like I said, the back. I am going to go ahead and get started with this video, so I won't be taking no more time. So let's get started. Okay guys, I am totally sorry. I did start on the project last night. I did take out some of the stuff last night. I thought I was recording. I thought the light I was using was bright enough. I thought everything I was using was bright enough. So I am going to continue with the tear down, or should I say the take out of the back seats and some of the accessibles in the back seat and stuff like that. I do have other videos to show you that what I was taking out last night. Hopefully I got good footage to a certain extent, should I say, of what I was doing and stuff like that. And then I go through and edit and stuff like that and put it in the video along with this. I will be continuing the video of me tearing, or not tearing, taking out the back seats and removing the seat belts and things in the back and stuff like that I was taking out, and deciding on what else I want to take out while the car is in front of me and stuff like that. So
Drake, please.
I know I cut the video a little early, but I am going to go ahead and, like I said on the previous, I don't know if I said it, I will show you glimpses of stuff I, excuse me, I did do last night. Hopefully you can see it. I know you can hear it and stuff like that, and see what I was, what the issues I was having with the whole taking the back seats out, taking seat belts out, stuff like that. Hopefully you can see it. I'll put a little bit of of the clips in in this video, and I'm gonna try to figure out where to put this in the video so it won't be all misconstrued or something like that. So it will not be like me dropping and picking up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna figure this out. Hopefully you guys, like I said, like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. And this is gonna be the end of this part, should I say. Hopefully I can figure out how to get it and cut it without looking all jagged and stuff like that and weird looking, or time lapse it maybe, something like that, so where it fits. So thank you for watching.
Drake Beats.